Hello everyone, welcome to my 24th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In this tutorial, we will see the visual effects of our Lumion software. In the Lumion, we have many options to have. First of all, rain, snow and much more. In most of the situation, the effect mentioned in the topic might seem inadequate, but we have to keep in mind that every project is different and even most initially unsuitable effect can later become very useful. Even if you are not planning to use this effect in your current project, it is always good to have mind in where they are, what can accomplished with them. Winter time with snow and rain effect. The snow and rain effect can found under the weather tab, and when we compare the settings side by side, there are few common adjustments to made, such controlling the density, wind and speed. There are two essential settings: drop distortions in the rain effect and snow layer in the snow effect that make this effect more believable. Look at the following screenshot. Here is the difference between rain effect and snow effect. You can change it and Lumion. The arrow helps pointing to fact that on the rainy or snowy days, we don't have such sharp, large or harsh shadow. The following screenshot shows the effect we need to tackle this issue. Here is the sun height, sun healing, sun brightness amount to change. The effect we need to add the following: sun. Using the effect, we can only tweak the sun brightness settings to remove shadow completely. However, this removes some lights from the scene, and compensate for that, we have to use bleach effect. In bleach effect, that makes that lights area brighten and dark area are darken. So, remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.